ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର ଅନ୍ୟତମ ଖ୍ୟାତନାମା ଘରୋଇ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ ମେଘଡମ୍ବରୁ ସ୍ଥିତ ମଡର୍ଣ୍ଣ ପବ୍ଲିକ ସ୍କୁଲର 26ତମ ବାର୍ଷିକ ଉତ୍ସବ ମଡର୍ଣ୍ଣାଇଟ୍ସ 2024 ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ ପରିସରରେ ଅନୁଷ୍ଠିତ ହୋଇଯାଇଛି। ଚାନ୍ଦିପୁର ପ୍ରତିରକ୍ଷା ବିଭାଗ ଅଧୀନ ଏକୀକୃତ ପରୀକ୍ଷଣ କେନ୍ଦ୍ରର ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦେଶକ କେ ସୁଚେନ୍ଦ୍ରନ୍ ଏଥିରେ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଅତିଥି ଭାବେ ଯୋଗଦେଇ ଉତ୍ସବକୁ ଉଦ୍ଘାଟନ କରିବା ସହିତ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀଙ୍କର ଉଜ୍ଜଳ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତ ନିର୍ମାଣରେ ମଡର୍ଣ୍ଣ ପବ୍ଲିକ ସ୍କୁଲର ଭୂମିକା ବେଶ୍ ପ୍ରଶଂସନୀୟ ବୋଲି କହିଥିଲେ। ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟରେ ବିତାଇଥିବା ଦିନ ଜୀବନକାଳ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ସର୍ବଶ୍ରେଷ୍ଠ ହୋଇଥିବା ବେଳେ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟର ଶିକ୍ଷଣୀୟ ପରିବେଶକୁ ଉପଭୋଗ ସହ ସଫଳତାର କେନ୍ଦ୍ରବିନ୍ଦୁରେ ପରିଣତ ଶ୍ରୀ ସୁଚେନ୍ଦ୍ରନ୍ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀଙ୍କୁ ପରାମର୍ଶ ଦେଇଥିଲେ।
You as students must inculcate not only the studies, must learn not only the academic brilliance, but also you must try to understand your strengths and weaknesses. You have to understand what is my strength, what is my weakness, and move towards your strength and reduce your weakness. That is the only way we can all excel in our chosen field. So try to spend some time thinking about what am I good in, what I am not so good in, so that I can excel in what I want to do. Education is being imparted in a specialized form based upon the capabilities of the person. So that is why if you see in all the developed countries today, lot of excellence is coming out not only in the research field, not only in the science and technologies field, sports fields, in culture, arts. It is promoting. All the developed countries are able to promote so much. How are they able to do it? Why we are not able to do it? So it is not only the talent is not only bound only for academics. I find lot of talent in arts and culture here, but somehow it has not reached a recognition beyond our nation.
विशिष्ट साहित्यिक कवि प्रशांत दास एतिरे मुख्य वक्ता भावे जोगदेई छात्रछात्रींकर उज्जवल भविष्य कामना करथिले। छात्रछात्री माने निज भविष्यत को एक टार्गेट भावे ग्रहण करी कठोर अध्यवसाय बଳରେ सफलता हासिल पई से समस्त को परामर्श देथिले।
शिशु साहित्य एकेडमी बालेश्वर शिशु साहित्य एकेडमी और मोटो इज टू अपलिफ्ट साइको-मेंटल स्टेटस ऑफ चिल्ड्रन through literature and pursue children to do society developmental works. Still we are continuing. There is another institution I have met, my own resources. 30 youth are working with me. Prajapati, a divine vision for education and knowledge. There is no students, all you parents, you are sitting. I can start. You see this light. If there is no filament in this electric bulb, there is no light.
मॉडर्न पब्लिक स्कूल रो पुरातन छात्री ओडिशा आर्थिक सेवा अधिकारिणी तथा राज्य सरकार महिला शिशु विभाग अनुसचिव और आर्थिक परामर्शदाता ऐश्वर्या अंकिता एतिरे सम्मानित अतिथि भावे जोगदेई वक्तव्य माध्यम छात्र छात्री को उत्साहित करथिले। विद्यालय परिचालना समितिर चेयरमैन सुशील राठी एतिरे पौरोहित्य करने सहित स्वागत भाषण देथिले। सह चेयरमैन संजय दास, सभापति सुनील कुमार मोदी और संपादक शशिभूषण मिश्र एतिरे विद्यालयर शिक्षादान प्रणाली सफलतार विभिन्न दिग संपर्क में आलोचना करथिले। सर्वोत्कृष्ट शिक्षादान प्रणाली अवलंबन रे मॉडर्न पब्लिक स्कूल प्रतिज्ञाबद्ध बोली सेमाने कहिथिले।
Lot of nowadays alumni students are there and they are doing very good. And one more thing is that they are at least recognizing us. That is the happiest moment in our life. Any alumni, when they come, they want to meet us, they come to us, they just share their views and points, and we feel proud. That is real. We are really happy and we feel lot of proud. That is the real happiness in our life.
Have that trust. I, on behalf of MPS board, I assure you, your kids or your wards, your dream will be successful with the entire effort of all our teaching and non-teaching staffs. Our teachers are the architect of who will build the future of your next generation or your kids. I must express my gratitude to all our teaching staffs.
I also want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers, non-teaching staffs, students, parents and guests who have contributed to this annual day function. Your support and enthusiasm are the driving force behind the achievement of our institution. we also look ahead to the future, and I am confident that Modern Public School will continue to be a leader in the education and a source of pride for our community.
Over the years, the school has produced outstanding individuals who have excelled in various fields, be it as administrative service, defense services, teacher, lecturer, professors, engineers, doctors, chartered accountants, software developers, bank managers, in art and cinema, fashion designer, MBA and IT professional, and many more. They are a source of inspiration for our current students, and their success stories show what a solid foundation our school provides. One of the such bright alumni is amongst us on the stage, Miss Aishwarya Ankita.
विद्यालयर अध्यक्षा प्रज्ञा पारमिता पृष्टि एतिरे विद्यालयर वार्षिक विवरणी प्रदान करथिले। एही अवसर रे विद्यालयर मुखपत्र दि मॉडर्नाइट्स को अतिथि माने उन्मोचन करथिले। परे पूर्वरु आयोजित विभिन्न प्रतियोगितार कृति छात्र छात्री को एतिरे पुरस्कृत करा जायतिला। एतिरे विद्यालय परिचालना समितिर सदस्य जुगल किशोर राठी और अशोक कुमार खंडेलवाल उपस्थित थिले। शिक्षयित्री पल्लवी प्रधान, शिक्षक सिद्धांत जेना मंच परिचालना करथिले। वरिष्ठ शिक्षक खगेश्वर पति शेषे समस्त को धन्यवाद देते। सभा पर शिक्षक बनोज कुमार परिड़ा और अजस किरण दास को तत्वावधान रे छात्र छात्री द्वारा सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम परिवेशित होइतिला। विद्यालयर शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री और कर्मचारी माने समस्त कार्य परिचालन रे सहयोग करथिले।